Hey people, y'all must have heard of this the Rich Dad Poor Dad series by Robert T. Kiyosaki, and this particular book is called Business School. Honestly, people, it is close to impossible to condense a 200 250 page book, 300 page book into a 1 minute video, but Business School will give you an insight into how, in everyday life there are these little known, I won't say business tactics, but once you understand them, you realize that okay, this is the way the universe functions. Like a simple thing like the Business School states, Robert Kiyosaki states that the moment you start expecting payment for every effort done, you're no longer an entrepreneur, you're an employee. That's a very employee mindset. So it took me a while to understand this, but it's true that the difference between people who are entrepreneurs and employees is mindset, and a book like Business School will help you understand that. So basically, any book by Robert Kiyosaki, the Rich Dad Poor Dad series, will show you that how you alter your mind, you can alter the world. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.